Is the game over now? Hey, Sarah! Hey, Sarah!
No! Big brother!
Einstein's got nothing on this.
Don't spill me! Everything's broken! Fix it now!
Shut your mouth, Sarah. Or better yet, get rid of it. The guy's a big baby. He's probably just got gas.
Away with you, unwanted pesterers!
Hey, Grumpula! Wake up on the wrong side of those steel socks of yours!
Rolf's gotta go to a family reunion.
Hey, Sourpuss! Lighten up, Shrimp. We're just figuring out how stuff works. Get it on!
You torment me!
This is taking way too long.
Touch me again and I will squash you!
I thought you were speechless.
My turn to jump on his head.
Looks like it, Ed. Hey, Rumple Forehead! I'm hurt now.
Hey, Sarah!
Wait till I tell Mom what you did to Jimmy!
Sarah! Good thing your house broken. Hey, is that a lump on a log?
So move!
No!
Hey, Sarah! Sarah? Sarah? You torment me!
Help me! I'm hurt now.
Sarah?
Piece of cake.
Sarah? Can you guess what I'm doing?
Ed, what are you doing? Okay, big guy.
Rolf, head for it!
I can hear dorks, but I can't see dorks. Come on out and show yourself.
I thought you were speechless.
But you have to be it.
Is the game over now?
Hit the road! the monster eat me!